Today, you will learn how to edit business card templates in Microsoft Word. First, open Microsoft Word and click New. In the search bar, type in Business Card and press Enter. Word will instantly show you a variety of free pre-made designs. Look through them, find one you like, click on it, and then click the Create button. Now, you will see a page filled with your chosen business cards. Zoom in or out using the slider in the bottom right corner of your screen so you can see the text clearly. To change the placeholder text to your own information, simply click directly on the words you want to change, like the name or phone number. Highlight that text with your mouse and just start typing your own details. If the template has a generic logo or icon you want to replace, right-click on that image and choose Change Picture. Once you have updated one card, you'll notice that other cards are also changed, except image. You just need to change pictures. When you're completely happy with how it looks, click on File in the top left corner, choose Save As, and save it to your computer so you do not lose your work. That's it. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe.